everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to look at the latest subscription box from Planners Anonymous. So I've had quite a few questions lately about my recent sticker kits I have been using in my Franklin planner, and this is where they come from, y'all. So I'm going to pull everything out. I have opened it because before we left for Red Deer on the weekend, I actually got this on the Thursday. So I'm opening it up. I did take out the main packaging, and I opened everything up except the washi tape. I left it in its rolls. So this is what you get in the subscription kit I have subscribed to. You have a whole bunch of different options. If you take a look at their website, you guys will see under subscriptions, but there's two main things that you can do. The first one is a sticker only subscription kit, which allows you to just get the sticker book. And then the second option is to get the kit. So if you get the kit, that comes with many other options. So one of them is just the kit by itself, which includes the standard paper pack, the stamps, 2 pages of stickers, the washi tape, a pen, and then usually the surprise item. I think that comes with it, and the die cuts and the art card. Then you can add other things on. So you can add one sticker book, you can add an additional paper pack, which I have, and then you can add an additional sticker book, which is 2 of them. The price is truly unbelievable. So for all of this stuff, it is undervalued, like ridiculously cheaper. It is shown, you can change it to show under your currency, but I just go Australian dollars, which is lower than the Canadian dollar. So it works out to be quite a bit cheaper than if you were not to subscribe at all. If you do the subscription as a one-time purchase, it's still pretty pricey. So if you do it as a subscription, obviously it knocks down quite a bit of money. And if you have over a certain amount, you get free shipping. Let's start with the paper. So they actually show on the tags here, this is the additional paper pack, and this is the standard. So let's go through the standard first. Another thing that I just kind of want to mention is that while there are a few people in Australia that unbox these kits, there's a few people in Australia that I've seen online on YouTube, and then there's a few people in the States, I believe, but I haven't seen anyone from Canada yet. So if you guys get Planners Anonymous and you're from Canada, give me a shout out, let me know. That's one of the things that they are trying to do, is to promote their product. Me sharing this video is also helping to do that. So one side is flowers, and then the back side is a color. And then you get 2 copies of that, okay? The second version, or the second print, is a flower on the bottom, and then this beautiful watercolor print on top that has this orangey red watercolor background. Okay, next we have these packets of flower seeds with this green print. You get 1 copy of vellum, 1 vellum sheet here. So this is a vellum, and then you get an acetate, and this is daisies, or I guess daisies. And the interesting thing about this kit, it's called Pretty Posy. So I used to think Posy was a flower, but in actuality, it is a small bouquet that you would give to your mother or your grandmother. And it's not called a bouquet, it's called a posy of flowers. So that's something, if you didn't know, that's what that means. So this is the additional paper pack. Now you also get a copy of the vellum, the same vellum that I showed previously, along with the same copy of acetate, but some of the designs are different on the other sheets. So here we go. So this is this pretty bee pattern with flowers. That one has this browny red color. This has a bee pattern, which is so cute. That has a black background. And then this beautiful, gorgeous one that I can't wait to use in my planner. Flowers on this side with a bicycle on that side. So this actually looks very similar to Love Bug. So if you guys follow along with my plan with me, you'll notice that some of the resemblances to Love Bug. And there's no ladybugs this time, it is bees. But some of the flower designs are the same, as well as the bicycle. That is a piece of artwork from the previous kit. Okay, I usually save the sticker books and the stickers till last. So the stamp kit, you guys, I'm not much into stamping. Like, I haven't really stamped at all. I wouldn't mind getting into it. I do have all of my stamps from all of the kits I've purchased in the past. And honestly, I don't really know what to do with them. Like, they stay on the sheet. You stick them off, and then you can get a stamp block to like stamp them. But I don't have tons of stamp pads. I just have a plain black one that I used to use for art journaling. So I don't know. I still have them all, most of them in their kits. So I was thinking at one point that I would sell them all because I'm not a stamper, but I haven't decided yet whether I'd be using them, or because they'd be pretty to stamp and then to use watercolor, or even just to simply color them in. And that would be cool for bullet journaling, but I don't bullet journal anymore right now. Anyway, that could change. Okay, so the next item is a pen. I'm not a huge fan of the pens because they are black ballpoint ink, and I don't like black ballpoint. Just, it's a thing for me. I just don't like them. The tip of this turns, and then it turns the pen on, so to speak, opens up the pen. This is orange, and it's kind of like a sparkly color orange with these gems in the top portion. The washi tapes, you get 3. They're all about the same color range actually, which is surprising. This one has a lot of flowers. There's a bee in there with a little sign. This one is honeycombs and bees with that beautiful gold foiling. And then this is just this pretty watercolor orange and reddish, kind of turned into brown. I think looks brown to me. But those are the washi tapes. So I really appreciate the gold foiling in there. It kind of makes the washi. The bonus item is this little mini notepad. It's actually a sticky notepad, like a post-it note. And I think that is adorable. I love post-it notes. I love all of my cloth and paper notes, but these are cute. Okay, so let's open up this art card and the die cuts and see what that looks like. So in order to keep my die cuts all in one kit, I've been putting them in a plastic envelope, just so I can keep them together. So the art card, it says grow your tomorrow. And on this side, it's just a plain flower background. So I won't go through all of the die cuts, but the current ones are, they're really heavy cardstock, but they actually have, you can peel them. And it's like a sticker backing. So I really appreciate that because you don't have to use them as such. You can just use them to put in the pockets of your planner, which is what I've done with a few of mine in the past. But yeah, these are so cute. And they're such a spring vibe. There's that bicycle. So I'm just going to bring out, let's see, the one that I have. This is the one from before, so I used ladybugs, but I just want to share with you guys. I think it's in here. Let's see. I know it's on my dashboard somewhere. Right here. So the artwork in these ones seem to be a bit more vibrant, I feel. This is the previous version. This one did not have a sticky back, but this was from Lovebug. So it's the exact same bike, but the colors changed a bit. And this is definitely more watercolor version, but I really like that color. But there you go. So that's just kind of a comparison. And the girl is different. So this is a different girl. The current one is this one here. And I think, I don't know if her name is on here. I don't see it anywhere. But Sammy likes to name the girls. And yeah, the bouquet is beautiful. But yeah, I feel like this is a toned down a little bit. Like the color isn't as vibrant. It's more, definitely more watercolor look to it. But this is beautiful too. All right, so that is the die cuts and / stickers. The 2 sticker sheets that you get with the kit, if you don't actually buy the sticker books. So these are meant to kind of go along with the sticker books, but these ones do not have foil on them, okay? But this is so beautiful. Like, look how bright and vivid that is. Definitely more pink rather than red, which I'm surprised, but that's one thing I've noticed here. You can see there's the bike, the girl, and then there's your date dots, and then 1 weekly in here. And then this is actually a fold-out planner sticker, so you, it's perforated where you fold it, so you lift it out, and then you fold it there. Okay. And then the last thing is a sticker book. So I'm only going to go through one with you because I've opened one. These have gold foiling on them, but every second page does not. And then this portion isn't cut out, but you can easily cut it. You can easily cut it with scissors. So I'll do a quick flip through because my baby is about to wake up here. This is so beautiful, you guys. Like, these are the minis. Beautiful. So cute. So vibrant. And these are the weeklies, which I also love. You can do an entire scene with the side stickers here, and you can cut out the sidebar here too, which is not cut out. But you can easily, you can kiss cut it. Like, look how pretty that is. Some yellows, like all the beautiful yellow and orange and red tones in here are just amazing. Okay, and then you've got some dots and then this big decorative sticker with some little bees and some flowers in there. These are the washi strips with another fold-out planner. And then some more functional boxes. And then you've got a whole bunch of words here with more date dots. So that is it for this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably going to do an unboxing for every Planners Anonymous subscription kit I get. Like I said, I will have another order coming soon that is actually past kits and some past sticker books. I'm obsessed, you guys, with the sticker books. Like, if I could order another like sticker book just by itself, I might. I don't know. I don't know if I need 3 of them, but they are so pretty. So if you want to know more, please let me know in the comments and I can answer any questions that you may have. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe, click on that bell button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.